What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. Alrighty, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing a true, honest 15,000 mile review on this brand new, well, not brand new anymore, Toyota Tacoma. So first, let's talk about what we're actually looking at. 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 in beautiful, beautiful voodoo blue. This truck, especially now with the redesign coming up, is causing a lot of chatter. Some issues it's having mechanically. We're gonna go over the exterior, interior, and we're gonna talk about the performance. And if you're interested in the issues that it's giving me, stay tuned till the end as I am gonna go over it. But without further ado, let's get right in the video. Starting off with the exterior. So the exterior of the truck is absolutely perfect. The color is absolutely beautiful, but it just does not hold up to anything. Look at it wrong, it'll scratch. If you touch it in the wrong place, it'll dent. For example, there's a big scratch all right there. Loading some stuff up into the truck, you can see it gets damaged right there, and then all right there. The truck is also dented right there. How it happened, I still don't know. I think a marshmallow hit it. Let's go inside the truck. Let me show you guys some pretty cool stuff about the interior, and I'll go over some stuff I don't like and some stuff I really, really like, especially now. Starting off with one thing I really dislike, this seat right here, it's so bad. It's like I roll out of this seat. I used to sell trucks, Toyotas specifically, and I used to get Tacomas and I'd be like, why is this side of the seat squished? Then I bought a Tacoma and well, now I'm here, and well, it's because you don't have a proper way of getting out unless you buy side steps, which I'm possibly gonna have to do, or rock sliders, because I'm a mall crawler. It's unfortunate. Alrighty, so now that we're in the interior of the truck, this is something today that I found out, and it's so magical. Toyota has been known for being simplistic, rugged, and just meant to be used. And a lot of people don't like this steering wheel. They say it's not intuitive enough. It doesn't do enough. I felt the same way. I felt like it had some stuff it didn't need, or some stuff could have been moved around. Also with the infotainment system, I felt the same way. Everyone wants the big 42-inch flat screen TV. A lot of people wanted all of this stuff to be integrated there and it to be touchscreen. Today, it was like 20 degrees when I walked outside. I put my gloves on and I could use my truck. I was able to turn on the heat, adjust it however I wanted. I was able to turn up my music. Shout out to you, Toyota. I'm so grateful. As far as how everything is holding up, everything is holding up just fine. And everything I think will hold up just fine forever. As long as you're not yanking on stuff, punching things, I think it'll be okay. If it comes from factory messed up, you might as well just leave it messed up, because if not, you're gonna take it to a Toyota Tech and they're gonna spend like 2 weeks, give you a Corolla as a rental, and then people are gonna start asking questions, and then you have to tell them that your truck broke down, but it didn't really break down. It's just that this lever back here doesn't ever hold on. So you can close it a million times, it just doesn't ever hold on. That time it held on, of course, because I'm recording. It doesn't always secure. And after driving, sometimes it'll disconnect and just start flopping around. Performance wise, let's talk about performance on this absolute beast. As you guys know, the SR5 model comes with the 5.7 V8 supercharged Hemi. That was an absolute joke. It's a 3.5 V6 that comes in a Camry. It gets you from point A to point B, and that's the thing that I'm starting to realize a lot more. I'm using this truck more as a tool now. Before, it was a luxury. Look at me in my voodoo blue pickup truck. Now that I'm using it more, camping, off-roading, carrying stuff, it just gets you there. It doesn't do it super good. It doesn't do it super bad, but it just gets you there. And in reality, this is my 4th Toyota Tacoma. This is just a truck that works. So as far as me, I'm carrying around 400 to 500 pounds in the bed, like at all times. Mostly at all times. Right now, I'm a little bit lighter. I don't know if the system is wrong. I may have to do a manual test on this, but the last trip that I did fully loaded on my way to camp, it was like around 150 miles, 21 miles to the gallon. At the end of the day, you need to weigh what works for you, what doesn't, and this works for me. So we've gone over the exterior, we've gone over the interior. It's super simplistic, it's rugged, it works. It does have the backseat issue, but it's not a big issue at all. We've talked about the performance, it just works, it's a Toyota, we know this. But there is one thing that's going on with my truck that I don't know how to fix, I don't even know where to begin. So if you know about this, I would appreciate your comments greatly down below. Whenever I'm driving and I'm coming to a complete stop, let's say I'm in a drive-through, I don't know why I thought about a drive-through, I'm kind of hungry. This back here squeaks every time. I'll be going to a stop and it'll like squeak. Then I'll let go and then it'll squeak again. Then after I do it multiple times, it'll stop squeaking, like it's like, hey, leave me alone. But that squeaks. I don't know why. The other side doesn't. And some people are like, yeah, take apart your brakes and clean it out. And I'm like, now do I use a flathead? It's not super annoying. It's there, but I'm just like, I just don't care enough to actually address it. So as you guys know, this is probably one of the last naturally aspirated V6 engines that Toyota is going to be putting inside of their Toyota Tacomas. So we are transitioning into 4-cylinder turbos. I don't see myself letting go of this truck. Just knowing how this truck has been out for so long and they're still having issues, not in my case per se, but seeing other trucks have issues. A lot of people are having different type of problems. I'll try to link some of the stories down below. Toyota's great, so I'm sure they'll take care of you, but for me, this is a tool. This is something I need and use every day, or else I can't, you know, do what I gotta do. I think this is gonna be one of the last generation of trucks that Toyota produces as super reliable that in 20 years you're gonna see that driving down the road and you're like, oh yeah, back in my day, they used to release TRD Pros with Lunar Rock and Quicksand and Voodoo Blue, and who knows what electrical Tacoma is gonna drive by it and be like, oh, loser. So with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy, Hamari Like and Naughty. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.